that we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while.
Yeah, I know. Hello. It's cute, huh? The peel. This one. Thank you, well.
Morgen soll es regnen bis 2 Uhr.
Ja, jetzt Schluss. Warte, ich mach das. Nee, wir haben es ja nicht dran. War das
Yeah. Is that also yesterday with the Kibling? It's also very little the price. No, in the Pirate Island, in the Pirate restaurant. You know?
Day before.
Oh, yeah. That was later.
It's Tuesday. So it's more tasty. Kibling there was better than here.
Yeah. It's like it's more fresh than the other one.
No, less fat.
Nicht mit den Fingern da rein.
I will make a small thing. Yeah, very bad now.